Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about prickly heat. Prickly heat appears due to excess sweating during the summer season. But don't you worry, we have some simple remedies that you can try at home. For this remedy, all we need is fuller's earth or Multani Mitti. Take a few teaspoons of Multani Mitti, add a few teaspoons of rose water to this, and make a thick paste out of this. And apply this paste on the affected area. Let it dry and rinse off with cold water. This would give you relief from prickly heat instantly. For this remedy, take a few neem leaves, make a paste out of them and apply this on the affected area liberally. Let it dry and rinse off with cold water. Do this at least once daily for a week and you will see very good results. This remedy is very simple. Take a few ice cubes and then wrap it around in a neat cotton cloth. Apply this on the affected area for 10 minutes. Do this every 4 to 5 hours as required to get relief. Thank you for watching. I hope these remedies help you. Do like this video and subscribe to Style Craze for more such amazing videos.